Ang OA. Ah! Ganon, OA. Did you like that? You must be bothered. Miss Violet, saan ka? Let's go. Joke lang. Bukas. Kasi nagsiskincare na pala. Ay, lamig. Ay, lamig. Ay, ang lamig. Slay! Congrats sa clothing line. Thank you so much! Oh! Nasa Thailand ka! Are you ready to pre-order? Gusto nyo ba ng spoiler sa price? So, ito yung price, guys. Maglalabas naman ako ng details bukas. Pero kung gusto nyo, magsaspill na ako dito. Yes, okay. Go spill mo na, best. Okay! Ayoko lang, I just don't want to come off as unprofessional for not going through the official channel first, the Area Space Station account. But here you go! I'm gonna spill it para, you know, ready. Very much ready na kayo. Just taking extra precautions. So, yung price, it's $9.99. So tomorrow is a pre-order day. Yung pre-order, it's gonna last for 1 week. So after 1 week, dun ko isasubmit yung orders, and that's the day where they are gonna make it. And then, pagtapos na, ayan, i-ship na sa inyo. Get ready! Kaya bili na kayo. $9.99 only. Hindi na umabot ng 1K. Which means, affordable. What mode of payments accepted? Okay. Wait lang. Pagdating sa mode of payments, I'm gonna release the details tomorrow. But most likely, we're not gonna go for debit or credit because I don't know how that works yet. Sorry. So sorry, but I'm learning. This is the best time to apply lip moisturizer, babe. Okay, babe. Let's apply lip moisturizer. Wala akong lip moisturizer. Ay, alam ko na, guys. Diba may Viva Cafe sa 27, 28. Magbebenta ng shirts sa Viva Cafe or not? No, I'm not gonna sell shirts sa Viva Cafe. But, I have an idea! Meron kasi akong prototype dito, kaso size medium siya. Like prototype, it's not the final product. The print here was too big, and yung pagka-wide ng sleeve medyo hindi pa siya masyadong wide. Tas ganito siya. Medyo sakto lang siya sa akin. Pero feel ko slay siya sa inyo. Ibabato ko to... Ibato ko to sa inyo sa Viva Cafe. Gusto nyo? Prototype? Yeah! Ganon. It's giving Psyche. Oh my gosh! Is it giving Psyche? Yeah, kind of giving Psyche with the hair color. But my hair was pink before. Mahiwagan sa lamin, kailan ba niya aaminin ang kanyang tunay na pagtingin? Mahiwagan sa lamin, ano pang dapat gawin? Get your shirt now. Pre-order tomorrow, 6 p.m. The link, I'm gonna put it sa bio. Tapos ipopost ko din sa stories. Tapos sa X, ipopost ko yan. 2 days ba ulit sa Viva Cafe? Hindi. Sa 28 lang. Tama. 1 day only, but 2 shows. Tapos guys, look. May pinagawa akong shirts. Hindi pa nakita ni Mom. Actually, si Mom yung nagpagawa. Mommy! Here are the shirts! Mommy! Mommy Leia! Ito na yung t-shirt na pinapagawa nyo. Constantia's! Welcome to Constantia's! See? Isn't it a slay, Mommy? Do you like it, Mommy? Mommy, are you watching, Mommy? Ay, cute! Mommy. Oh my gosh. Hindi nakaka-idol ang itsura ko right now. Is that for sale? Hindi. Uniform lang to ng mom ko. Oversized fit pala siya. Slay! Slay! Ay, XL na pala to. Slay! How much for Constantia's shirt? Jao, cut the nose bridge part para maglaba siya. Oh, okay. Oh. Yan. Lilipat ako ng TikTok, pero mamayang konti na lang. Mag-charge muna ako because I'm 13%. I'm 13%